Coffee leaves are a new, promising resource for the food manufacturing and pharmaceutical industries, with a great potential due to their unique properties and rich composition, fiber, calcium, potassium, and mangiferin that can serve as a natural antioxidant. In the food manufacturing industry, coffee leaves are used for beverage production. Coffee leaves are a healthier alternative to conventional coffee and tea beverages, because they contain more polyphenols and less caffeine. The application of coffee leaves in the food manufacturing and pharmaceutical industries normally requires grinding and then either extracting the necessary substances or using the leaves in ground form. Rotary mills, ball mills, and vibration mills are used in the industrial grinding of coffee leaves. Processing in rotary and ball mills causes overheating, which may lead to the loss of some active compounds, such as chlorogenic acid and quercetin that are sensitive to high temperatures. Vibration mills have a disadvantage represented by non-uniform grinding, which does not allow for efficient extraction of beneficial substances. Based on this, GlobeCore has developed a coffee leaves grinding technology with the use of CLM colloid mills. The CLM colloid mills are capable of processing the raw materials until an ultra-fine suspension is obtained. Due to high-speed spinning of a rotor and a minimum rotor-to-stator gap, these mills efficiently homogenize, emulsify, and grind the processed substances. This makes it possible to obtain a homogeneous product, which allows extracting the maximum amount of beneficial substances from coffee leaves and increasing the bioavailability of active substances in the final product. GlobeCore colloid mills are distinguished by strict compliance with food processing requirements. Their structural components are made of stainless steel, which ensures corrosion resistance, easy cleaning, and minimized contamination risks. The available cooling system prevents overheating of the processed raw material and preserves all the beneficial substances contained in coffee leaves. The thoughtful design of the mill featuring no sharp angles and crevices prevents the accumulation of bacteria and other harmful substances. Furthermore, GlobeCore mills are capable of processing the thick, viscous, and sticky products, which greatly expands the possibilities of their use for preparation of beverages and food supplements from coffee leaves, as well as from other botanical ingredients. And what kind of equipment do you use for coffee leaves grinding? Share your experience of using such equipment in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore coffee leaves grinding technology and equipment can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.